King, these two men truly believe that they are the best.
It's all about the power, Ross.
Bret Hart wants to damage the goods of Shawn Michaels so badly. A lot of speculation about Bret Hart and his future. Everybody thinks that they know the story and that they have the answer. It is very likely, ladies and gentlemen, that this is the last time that these two superstars will ever meet in the ring. What an elbow by Michaels. Oh, and HBK lands the forearm. Some effective chops here. And the knuckles connect. That'll knock you silly. He lights up his chest with that chop. Oh, my. Easily avoided.
I don't like the way that head shook.
Oh, my. Just bursting those capillaries in their chest. Hey, it's Vince McMahon.
What's the owner of the WWE doing out here?
Well, how should I know? It's his company, though. I'm sure he just wants to see that this match doesn't end through disqualification.
And Shawn Michaels is going up.
And that was a costly misstep. Another stiff kick. Nobody home for that one.
Oh, mama! Man, what a neck breaker.
HBK with a hard right. A shot to the gut. What a knife-edge chop.
Shawn sees the... Oh, that can break your tailbone. Michaels is pulling out every stop to win this matchup. Uh-oh. Wow, what a move. Sometimes when you go high risk, you crash and burn. And sometimes you knock it out of the park. And that was a perfect example of hitting it big. Whoa, what a drop kick. Oh, the Hitman took that one hard. Did you hear how his leg connected? A big fist to the gut. Oh, man, what a shot to the Hitman.
And HBK drives the elbow.
Michaels wants the submission.
He fights out. Oh, no. Michaels is unusually methodical at this point in the match. He is the European champion. And by the way, the European Championship is not at stake.
Yeah, you're right. This one is about the WWE Championship. And quite possibly about the future of Bret Hart.
He's been knocked to the floor. Oh, and the sound of... Oh,
that was an insane move. To take a chance like that, do you know how badly he must want to win this?
Bam! Another kick.
Big elbow.
Now there are some nice chops.
And that's a shot that could drop a grizzly. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future. Back into the ring now. And Bret Hart gets sent to the floor.
Narrowly avoiding the attack. Bret Hart showing the excellence of execution here.
Wow, Bret Hart seems to have a counter for every hold in the book. What? What is this?
Michaels is going to try and beat Bret Hart with a sharpshooter. Yes, he is.
Are you kidding me?
What happened?
Bret Hart gave up?